from Korea. Summer in Korea is incredibly hot and humid. And on days like this, I really don't want to turn on the stove. So today, we're making one of the easiest Korean summer dessert, Hwachae. Let's get started. Today, I'm going to use watermelon, blueberries, pineapple, sugar, lemon lime soda, and some milk. Just cut the fruits into similar sized pieces. You can use pretty much any fruit you like. Now, let's make the base for our hwachae. Add some sugar, then pour in milk and lemon lime soda. Check the pinned comment for the exact measurements. Milk and soda might sound like a strange combination, but it works. Mix everything well until the sugar dissolves. Give it a taste and add more sugar only if needed. And that's it! You can add some ice or canned fruit cocktail if you like. But there's one fruit you absolutely need for hwachae, watermelon. Ask any Korean to name one fruit that has to be in hwachae. I guarantee they will say watermelon. And if they don't, they're fake Korean.